The POCO X8 Pro Max comes with huge 9000 mAh battery, and in this video we are going to find out that how much time it takes in charging this huge battery from 0% to 100%. So here we go. So for this testing purpose, we are going to use this another smartphone as the timer, and we will use Xiaomi's official 100-watt charger and the USB cable that comes in the retail box of POCO X8 Pro Max. So right now the battery is totally dead. The device is not even switching on. So let's start our test. So the device is finally turned on after 2 minutes 35 seconds. And now if you go to the settings, here I am going to select the top speed from the charging options to charge our POCO X8 Pro Max at the maximum possible battery charging speed. And here you can see that it is showing it will take 55 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But usually these numbers are not correct and it keeps changing depending on the battery temperature, etc. And here you can see that the device is charging at the full speed, 100 watt max. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it is at 15%, so it's charging pretty fast as you can see here, and it is showing that it will take 43 minutes more in charging the battery from 15% to 100%. After 20 minutes, the battery is at 27% and 48 minutes more up to 100%. So as you can see, instead of the expected time going down, it increased now. And this is the reason that we are using a dedicated timer to monitor the time that it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100% here in this test. So after 30 minutes, the battery percentage is at 40 and the expected time to charge the battery fully is still 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the battery is at 61%, 25 minutes more to go. So it's an hour now. The screen of the other smartphone was dark, and when I tapped on the display to light it up, by mistake I tapped on the button to stop the counter, so it's at 0, but right now it's an hour and the battery percentage is at 83%. So it's 1 hour 10 minutes now and the battery percentage is at 93, 5 minutes more to go. So 5 minutes have passed and the battery percentage is at 95 and it is still showing that it will take 5 minutes more. So more 5 minutes are passed. So total duration 1 hour 20 minutes and the battery percentage is at 97, 3 minutes more in reaching to 100%. So after 3 minutes, the battery percentage reached to 99, 1 minute more to go. So I'm going to keep the screen on to see the exact moment when the battery is at 100%. And here we go. So right after 25 minutes 15 seconds, the battery charged to 100%. So it took exactly 85 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. As you can see, in the beginning it was pretty fast, but with time, because of the device heating or whatever, the charging speed got slow and it took overall 85 minutes. So it started with 55 minutes prediction but ended with 85 minutes. But considering the fact that we got a huge 9000 mAh battery and our POCO X8 Pro with 6500 mAh battery took 50 minutes, 85 minutes is less and more in the same region, and it took a bit more time in charging the battery because our battery was totally dead, totally depleted, and for the first 3 minutes nearly it was not even switching on. So what's your opinion about the battery charging speed of the POCO X8 Pro Max? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed watching this one, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.